let's kind of start in axe. Pulling these sides off and then kind of getting readings there on my thickness. I guess mention a couple things about safety on this. Is when you're striking with this, your tendency is to pull an axe towards you. Here you always want to be striking kind of away from it. So if that comes down, it still catches that stump if I have a missed strike or something like that. Because obviously the tools I'm working with are really sharp. You can hear that note changing there. That's that bowl starting to change its thickness. And again, out here I'm kind of chasing those shavings. You want to be careful on the outside when you're chasing shavings. If your piece of wood doesn't have real straight grain, you can get that shaving can start pulling you in someplace you don't want to go. It can be really bad. Obviously, the bigger chunks you can just split off, the better off you are. I think I'm going to leave a bit of a rim on this bowl. It's going to kind of follow around, maybe 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch wide. And this, the outside here is where you really start to see how tools work. And the tool I'm using is a Gransford Brooks carving axe, but having that radius on that blade allows me to cut concave surfaces as I work my way around here, which is just really handy. There's always a lot of wood to remove on the outside of the bowl. That wall there is probably about 3/4 of an inch right now. Not where we want it, but it's okay for where we are right now on the bowl. I go after it pretty aggressively when it's this stage. I kind of know where my cavity is, about what my walls are, and so I can kind of work my way in here pretty handily. I could take it, saw the ends off, get it closer. I'm just going to leave really short handles on this one, maybe an inch handle or something, 3/4 maybe. It's not going to be all that much.